Yung monetization ko, restricted na. Restricted. Pero yung restricted na yun, may nakasulat doon na si... You call it nilagang baboy.
Nilagang baboys?
I don't want it.
Han!
I'm not
Listen
big,
to
I'm
me.
not a big fan of turkey, huh?
Will you eat it when you get home? You've been
one half
watching...
and take one and leave turkey in half.
Kagahin yung ulo aning kalibat.
Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning! Good morning everything! Good morning guys! Good morning sa inyong lahat. Galing ako sa taas. I've been, sinasaktan ko yung sarili ko. Ay, nagwa-wax ako, armpit waxing guys. Ang sakit. Ang sakit, alam nyo bakit masakit? Kasi po, ang taas na ang taas na ng buhok. And then yun pa yun inano ko. Sumakit. Sumakit yung ano ko. Grabe. Ihatid ko lang ito sa taas. Yung mga papilis. Dapat i-keep. So yan, let's go sa taas. Alis na naman ako para bibili ng gamit. Kainin ni Mister. Kasi, di ba, may kakainin siyang gusto niya ng gusto niya ng lasagna. So, mag-lasagna. Frozen lasagna lang yung bibilhin. So, yun, frozen lasagna. So, yun yung bibilhin ko. Kunin ko lang yung short ko dito. So, iiwan na naman tayo. Ay, itong ladder ba? Ilagay ko nga yan dyan mamaya sa attic eh. Anyway, so, yun lang guys. May naiirita pa rin sa everything ko. Pero nanonood pa rin siya. Sabi ko, wag ka nang manood, ma-high-blood ka. Hi baby, good morning. Say good morning. Oh my god, you cannot hear. Why you guys are following me? Huh? Why you following me? I'm done waxing, Han. It is painful because the hair is long. It doesn't cut, it doesn't pull properly when its hair is long.
Why is that?
Because it's too long.
I would think it would pull better.
No, it's not. It's because this long, oh.
Yeah, it would pull better.
No, it should be like this, or it will pull like this. Nicely. Ay, guys, pinataas ko kasi, guys. Say good morning, oy. I have problem this morning, but...
Morning, guys. Oi, 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 oi. What's your problem in the morning?
You know my problem. Alis lang ako, guys. Kailangan ko lang bumili ng pagkain ni Mister para madala niya. I mean, meron naman siyang sandwich. And, yun, mga sandwich. And, ala, ito si Tommy talaga. Hindi marunong mag-off ng light. Look, yung salad, and then, yung lettuce. And then, yung bubuhay pa siya. Kailangan ko lang ipasok yung mga anik. Yan, kasi parang uulan ata. Abutan tayo ng bagyo. Hindi ko alam kung may ulan. Pero, yan, alis lang ako, guys. Ang daming kalat dito. Ang laki-laking sasakyan, guys. Look. Ang laki. Maganda siya sa loob talaga. As in, maganda talaga. Sus, ang laki, oh. Dito pa ako sa baba, oh. Oh. Hindi ako makapasok. Ang laki sa loob. Grabe yung sa loob. Yung ano nga yung bibilhin ko. Nagpa-request din si Tami ng salad. And ano pa yun? Nag-request siya ng salad at saka lasagna. Lasagna pala. On ba itong light dito? Hala. Let's see. Parang una ta yan ah. On ba yan? Let me see. Okay. Namamatay lang siya. Dito siya. What do you need? What do you came out here for? What do you need? What do you need?
I'm going to take some crap out of stuff.
Okay, you wait. How to take. Bye. Ha? Yeah. Ang bilis tumubo talaga na ang mga damo, guys. Kakakat ko lang the other day. Pero grabe yung tubo. Hindi makaya. Gusto ko sanang ikat ng sobrang low na low. Pero parang ang hirap naman, oy. Park muna tayo dito. Andito pa rin talaga yung sasakyan, oh. Yun, andyan pa talaga. tayo. Tapos na po ako na grocery. Ang binili ko lang is, binilhan ko lang si Tami ng isda. Kasi isda is, wala masyado siyang isda. Hindi siya kami nakakain palagi ng isda, ganon. So, yung isda ko na lang, yung swordfish. Hindi din palagi kasi yung swordfish din, iba din kapag palagi mong kinakain. Ang resulta is maraming mercury, yung swordfish. So, ano ba? Tika mo nag-isa. Okay. Spinach para magsabaw ako. Isabaw ko yung pork na binili ko kahapon kasi may mga buto-buto, 'di ba? Yung ginigrill ko, may buto. Nilagay ko pa sa freezer talaga, i-defrost ko nga 'yun. And binilhan ko si Tami ng lasagna, dalawang klase, maliit yung isa kasi gusto niya yung extra cheese. And gusto kong ipatry sa kanya kung gusto ba talaga yun yung extra cheese or with meat. So, yun yung binili ko, dalawang klase. Maliit ang isa, malaki yung isa. And yun, salad, yun lang yung binili ko, spinach para sa sabaw. And then ngayon, pauwi na tayo. Gusto kong magpunta sa Bear Mountain na naman. Gusto kong magpunta doon para makalakad-lakad tayo, makapunta tayo doon, 'di ba? Parang maganda kasi sa Bear Mountain, ang daming mga hinayupak, daming hayop, mga kahoy magchi-change, ang ganda, 'yun. Last year nagpunta kami ni Lloydie, kami dalawa, and grabe na yung kahoy ba, nag-change na talaga yung kahoy. Pero this time parang nag-change na yung kahoy pero parang kakaiba yung change. Parang hindi lahat okay, parang patay agad. Happy! Happy! Happy lalabang kimangki ruksi. Ginoo ko, ganyan yan sila guys kapag makauwi na ako, para yung mga luka-luka na hindi nila ako nakita ng isang taon. Ay, baby! Diyos, ginoo ko. Ganyan yan sila eh. Okay na, enough na. Kasi dalawang klase eh. Ito yung extra cheese lover. Pero ito siya, mostly meat. So, ngayon, titignan natin kung anong gusto niya. You hung it already.
No, you want a headlight that you wear on your head.
Oh, no, forget that. And forget that. Just pay attention with the lights over there for my hydroponic. Because I want to use that light.
Which light?
That one. If I turn it on, this light is on too. I told you that.
I know, you told me that.
So that's
Nothing I can
taking...
do about that now.
No, you
I
can't?
have to rewire from here.
Oh,
all
no,
the way over
forget
there.
that. Forget that rewiring
So I
too.
have to wait.
So, guys, kanina pagbangon ko kasi, ano lang ito para tignan natin kung ma-resolve ito mga ilang days. Kasi, so pagbangon ko kasi kaninang umaga, pagbangon ko, sabi ko, bakit hindi ako maka-access sa Facebook? Hindi ako maka-access sa sa app. So, sabi ko, nagtataka na ako bakit hindi ako ma-access, walang monetization na nakalagay. So, ngayon, okay lang. So, pagpunta ko sa laptop, kanina sabi ko, patay. Nagka-problema kasi sa video daw na pinost ko. Hindi ko alam kung anong problema sa video. Dinilit na nga nila yung video dahil, kasi umaga yun mga 1 o'clock 1 o'clock ng umaga dito. That means 1 o'clock ng hapon sa Pilipinas. So, ngayon, ang nangyari, restriction daw. So, problema ako, sumakit ulo ko. So, ngayon, dinilit. So, sabi ko, okay, delete natin yung kasi nagka-problema. So, bago yun nila as in, yung monetization ko, restricted na. Restricted. Pero yung restricted na yun, may nakasulat doon na 7 days only. So, let's say, kung anong mangyayari after 7 days next week, kung anong mangyayari, kung ibigay ba nila sa akin yung monetization ulit or something. Kasi yun lang naman yun yung video na yun. Pero hindi ko talaga magets kung ano yung problema sa video na yun. Yung video na yun is regular vlog lang namin ni Tami. Yung ganon. As in, kung hindi ko alam kung anong nangyari sa Facebook. Nag-ano daw ko sa community guidelines nila, ganon. And policy issue, ganon. Naka-policy issue ako, so yung mga monetization ko naka-orange ba yun? Naka-yellow. So, yun lang yun ang problema ko, guys. Yun lang yung problema ko, yung ano ko sa Facebook. Nagka-problema lang talaga. So, hindi naman siya sa music. Kasi sinabi doon, hindi music. Ang sabi lang talaga yung video is remove sa Facebook. Kasi yung video na yun. Hindi nila in-explain kung anong na-violate ko doon sa video na yun. Wala talaga, guys. Walang ano. Basta kay against nag-ano daw ako sa community guidelines nila. Yun yung hindi ko mag-get. May nag-report ba? Hindi man basta-basta kasi din maka-report sa Facebook. Kasi kahit mag-report ka, nag-report ako noon sa Facebook yung mga nudity, yung mga hubad-hubad. Kahit naghubad-hubad na, hindi pa rin nila sininda nila ako ng message na hindi daw yun wala daw yung kasalanan, yung nag-upload. Pero I know hindi siya madaling mag-report sa Facebook kasi kasi nila. Pero may something ata doon sa video ko na parang hindi nila nagustuhan. Pero hindi ko na inalala ko, hindi ko alam kung ano yun. Kasi old videos yun. Ugasan ko lang po ito, guys, kasi magnilaga tayo ng baboy. Meron na tayong meron akong tinitignan sa YouTube kung paano. I mean, lang naman, simple lang akong magnilaga pero this time talaga, sabi ko, gusto kong makakita kung paano talaga yung masarap ba tignan. Yung masarap. So, sabi ko, sige, ha?
Oh, you finally cut that cabbage?
Yeah.
Still good?
Yeah, there's still other half over there. Look, your fish over there. Look, lasagna is right here. It's not hot anymore. I put it here before the bug will enjoy it. I'm gonna have fish soup. Not fish soup, pork soup. Nilagay ko na yung ginger. So, ngayon, nilagay ko na yung onion.
You didn't leave the light and bacon on right today.
Huh?
You didn't leave the light and bacon on right.
No, you're the one, the last one went over there.
That's the energy you expel waggling that tail.
Oh,
Rock.
Roxy.
She don't move, but she waggles her tail.
Where's Kurt? We have to let him go. Sergeant, sit down. You're gonna need a statement from you too.
Leland, Natalie called you to...
Becker was right, huh? You know what? It doesn't matter. Because I practiced this.
No, Leland.
See? I guess I can't move. You're out of it. I didn't offer you to
Roxy! You know that you're here with me. You're always be. Kain lang tayo, guys. Initin ko lang yung mga kakanin natin. And then, let's eat it. Bigyan natin siya ng magandang meat. Ng pork. With the bone. Gusto niya yung with the bone. Kasi alam niyo bakit? Because it's the bone. Cute niya. Then Carrot, look at that. How cute you are. You're the cutest person on earth. You are the cutest person on the planet Earth. Oi.
You got things in the dishwasher?
Yeah. Tastes like what? No, tell me now. Tell me. I don't hate it, hon. Do you want
No,
me?
the consistency is bad. Like it's mushy. Like
What did you say?
you have to try it and tell me. I'm telling you, it's weird.
Then don't eat it. Then throw it out.
It's not that it tastes bad. It's just weird. Consistency.
Where were you in your assignment at this point?
See what I mean?
Yeah. No, don't eat it, hon.
It's not bad. There's nothing wrong with it.
No, I don't like it.
I thought I was making it up. But just pick it on your cooking.
Take it out. Take it out. Don't eat it. It's a mush fish.
That's very weird.
Yeah, it's like a mashed potato. Now have this porky. Have this. If you want more soup, it's over there. If you want more porky, it's over there. So, I want the soupy. Nilagang baboy, love. You call it nilagang baboy.
The Langang bad boys.
Peg, baboy.
Bad boy, bad boy.
Navigating red tape, I think I finally got through the government firewall. Civilian named Sean Latham. Latham leads a secret armada of spy vessels called the Watcher. Watchers are living for billions in surveillance. They constantly are monitoring.
Masarap talaga siya, guys. Dams, this is your first time baking May. Did you give them dry food, Han?
Yep.
Lunch?
Then we'll take both of them.
What the heck was this baking?
Agent Anthony didn't know so.
3 o'clock.
Whoever may have been involved in an office.
Serious?
with another.
Okay, guys, we are packing sausage.
This is cheese.
Oh, where's the small bag? Use the small bag for your.
Big bag. Put it all
No,
in
the
one.
big bag
Put it all
is the
in one.
sandwiches.
It goes all in one.
No, it's gonna be smushing. Don't smushing the mush.
That stays.
Which one stays?
Those two.
Why is it staying?
For the kids.
Oh goodness. Sandwich. Separate the sandwich. I don't want the sandwich to be. Oh, it's already rotten, no?
Cheese, only cheese.
Daming sandwich, guys. Separate the sandwich. Tignan nyo ang laki ng sandwich. He's gonna have a big mouth eating
The
it.
turkey stays as usual.
No.
Yes.
Yes, it will go with you. It will go with you. This is the sandwich. I don't want anything in here.
One for the dogs.
Oh my god. This is go with you.
Cats.
What is this? What? This is not turkey.
What's this one?
That's a different
It's
turkey.
ham. Yeah, it's ham.
And why you keep buying and give it to the dog?
Hold on.
There's something wrong with
We're
you.
going to the
That's
kids.
for you. That's
Wait,
for
wait,
you.
wait.
That's a turkey. That's a
That's for you.
no. This, I can't. It's gonna go bad, Dad. You know that.
Yeah, that's for the dogs too.
Oh my god. And there's something wrong with you. You know how much he is paying for the cold cut? 150.
You know, no, I'm not eating cheese. That's chicken. That's like
Can you put it back?
spicy chicken. Yeah.
He spent so much with the turkey. And Han, why you have to do this for the dog, honey? It's like
Well, you didn't thaw anything out, but well, you made chicken for them. So you
I
need
did.
something for the cats. All right, so you got chicken for them. So
something wrong with you. Always.
all right, so let's move the ham. Just leave your chicken.
Because it's like, what are you gonna eat? You keep giving it to the
I got
animal.
plenty of these. Just one. Okay, cheese.
This is gonna be separate because it's cooked. Hi guys, ang daming dadalhin guys niya guys kasi you know, pag magutom ito, magwala man ito. Joke lang. So, you have to bring this. Okay?
No.
Yes, you will.
No.
Yes, you will.
No, you don't.
Yes, you will. I'll put it like this. No, it's gonna be yours.
Where's the other turkey?
What other turkey?
The other crack
It's
cover.
in the refrigerator. Bring it.
It's in the refrigerator?
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah, bring it.
No, I don't want it.
Han!
I'm not,
Listen
I'm
to
not
me.
a big fan of turkey, hon.
Will you eat it when you get home?
I
You've
leave
been
one ham
watching.
and take one and leave turkey in half.
Kagahit yung ulo ani kalibat.
Well, don't let it go bad, but give it to them. And I don't see the other one. What do you say is in the refrigerator? I don't see the other one. The other turkey? Huh?
Right here, oi.
Oh, there's very little in there, too.
Who's gonna eat it?
You eat it. And if you're not going to eat it, don't let it go bad. Give it to them if you don't eat it. But what is this?
That's your fork.
Wait, hon.
Okay, okay. This one is hot and this one is go over here. And that's it. And put that in the car. Ito
Not
put
in
that.
here.
Can you take that box? Because it's only two there. Can you just throw it up? Yeah, just leave it like that. The heck. And this one is separate because it's hot.
Sorry, you know, probably no.
Don't squeeze it. Can you put him in the bag?
I would take it.
Can you bring him,
I
hon?
would.
I don't want him here.
I would
don't
take
want
you,
him.
little man.
Dito ko nilagay yung ano ko guys. Ano, hindi ko pa alam kung saan ko ilalagay yan. Diyan muna siya. Say bye-bye to our friend.
Hi, guys. That time in life again.
The time when people said, oh, maybe he has another woman. Why he's leaving you all the time? How he has another woman? What is it? Can you answer that?
Another woman would be just too much. I do too much.
So why you leaving your wife?
It's called work.
I said, why he's not coming home? Why he's staying over there? Mga tanong ba? Okay, why is that? What's your answer?
Gotta
Why?
take care of that house too until we get rid of it.
Yeah, meron ng abogado guys. So next year mga June pwede na siyang ibenta. Tagal pa, 'di ba? I'll talk to you later. This is he's like opening his monkey business, hon.
Bye, little girl. Bye, little monkey.
This is how he is. He's gonna say bye-bye to the kids.
Bye, big girl. Bye, big roxy girl. Bye, baby girl.
Ayaw ni Tommy ipagalaw. Pero galawin ko yan, parang i-separate. Nilagyan ko dyan ng fake flower.
Bye, my special little man.
Oh my God, you really have to say that all the time, honey. Special, han? Special little man.
Anytime you decide you're willing to go for the ride, you tell me.
Kanina lang si Tommy umalis. So, nag-edit lang ako. And, nag-edit lang ako ng mga videos, ganoon sa Facebook, sa YouTube. Yun lang yung ginawa ko. Every time na andito ako, saka pati si Roxy natakot na sa mga pinagagawa ko. Kasi every time na mag-edit ako, natatakot na siya sa yung mga music or mga yung pinagagawa ko. Thank you guys so much for watching. I-end ko na tong vlog. Tingnan natin muna sa labas. Ay, hindi muna ako mag-cut ng damo. Ay. Ang dami ng dahon. Yun. Ang ganda pa rin. Pasok tayo. Pasok. Pasok, pasok. Yung bahay ko ba amoy nilagang baboy. Good night, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye, guys.